Hey, welcome, how are yous? How are yous? Give me a minute to just put this down. Alright, back on the couch. You know what that means. Again, we've got something too big for the desk. Yet again, we've got another case review, but this time my budget choice for case. This one comes in a few different styles. Hey, future trip here. I said a few different styles. I forgot to add what styles they were. You can get it in black or white with a tempered panel, and also with a tempered panel and RGB front fans. And you can also get the black with a solid black panel. I will link a Amazon link for each type in the description down below. Okay, should we get back to the video? Before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've always liked Fractal. I've always thought they've had decent build quality. I've always thought this was a decent deal case. Let's see if they're still as good as they were in 2024. See if they still match it. We'll take a look, and I will go through why I think this is an excellent choice for someone on a budget. Other than the fact that, you know, this particular version of the case is, like I said, £73.49, sorry. Right, so in the case we've got something that we definitely did not see with the Game Max Infinity case. We have got a magnetic filter there. You can see the top on there. So should we have a look at this foam? It looks like down this side it's like there's good thick stuff, like, but one side's got like a full surround with a hole cut out, and this side's just got this. But we'll have another look. I'll be honest with you, this is thick, soft foam, really good stuff. You can see they've cut out to save themselves, and also material helps save the planet. Having spaces definitely holds the case all the way round a good distance off. So definitely good. Definitely a good thing. So shall we get this over on the desk, and I'll show you what it's got to offer, eh? It wasn't quite as smooth as I would have liked it to be, but here we are, guys. So we've got the Fractal Focus 2. We've got a tempered side panel here. Let's have a look. There's some lovely thumb screws here. Looks like they're captive. So I'm guessing captive thumb screws. And look at that. Pops off. If you're wondering, that little fractal bit there is actually like just a shield on the back of here, but seems decent. Like 3 or 4 mil glass. It's not the thickest glass that I've ever seen, but it's got this this sort of metal top and bottom to give it a bit more rigidity on the edge, I suppose, which is a good thing. And these captive thumb screws are nice. I just want to show you something. I was talking about the attention to detail that you're going to get from a company like Fractal. I mean, look at this. They've actually put like cutouts in the foam for the standoffs so that they don't get damaged from them being dented. That is what you call a company that learns. And also, I actually don't know why that slot's there. I don't know. I'm sure there's a reason. So there's got a little bit to hold it in place. But that's kind of cold. That's kind of cold that they put cutouts for the standoffs. Anyways, here we are. Right, let's have a look at this. Right, so we've got we've got motherboard standoffs for an ATX board. It's obviously like a mid tower. You've got plenty of slots here for SSDs. You've got space for a 240 up top and a 120 in the back here. You've got a full array of PCIe slots, and they also come with it's also actually got removable tabs, so that's also better than the last case. You've got all the cabling and stuff and a few screws for change of motherboard. I'm just trying to see what other motherboards. It supports ATX, micro ATX, mini ITX. So ATX, micro ATX and mini ITX. So we're talking £74 basically. Now, as I was saying, you can get this in three different styles, shall we say. This is the sort of mid-range, so you can buy this case with no tempered panels, with no tempered glass. It's just a solid black panel, and you can buy this for £62. This one here with tempered glass is £73.48, and with RGB, so RGB fans instead of these ones, which we'll get to in a second, it is £76.25. Now, this case also I've seen it go for down into the 60s. I think I bought this when I purchased it. It was 66 quid or something. So it does go down into the 60s. It's a good solid build. I quite like this perforation that Fractal use. Your power supply goes in the base here, but the reason I say this is a good budget case is because it comes with these two 140 Fractal fans. They're a decent fan, and two 140mm fans. So what it'd be set up as is basically, this is your intake. You can put an AIO up here, 240, or you can put two fans up here. This will accept two 140s, I think. I think this will accept two 140s, so you could put 280mm rad up here, I think, because it has got the runs, as you can see, for both sides. Over on here, obviously it's an older case, it's been around a little while, so it's a bit dated. There's a Type-C slot there, but it's not actually got it, but it's there. I don't know, does it come with a different one? Anyway, you get two 3.0 USB, you get a mic and a headphone socket, and obviously you got a little power button there. I don't know what's going on with the Type-C. It's there, but it's not there. So maybe you can fit it for yourself if you want. Yeah, obviously there's a little accessory spot where you can put like a hard drive or something down there. You can swap these two 140s out for a 360 radiator, or go in the front here. This will easily take three 120 fans. Should we have a look around the back? It's a really solid build. I know I said that that Game Max case was quite solid. I mean, for the style of case, the thing is, pretty much every other case with that style tend to be around, 100, 130 quid, and that one is 69. Nice. So that's why I was surprised at how well it was put together. But this is solid. Look at those. It's got nice, they just look like fancier locking mechanism, But there's a little bit of cable management space around the back of here. You've obviously got space for a couple of SSDs, and obviously you've got this little channel for all these cable for the front USB and that to run straight down to the power supply. So yeah, this, I'll be honest with you, this is definitely still my choice. I don't feel like Fractal has let me down at all. There's a lot of, yeah, it's like that. So yeah, you can just pop this straight off. So if anyone followed the channel and watched my piece on the carbon filters, I would basically just line this with carbon filter because it's the only intake on this particular case. So I would just line that and that on there for the power supply. So the power supply does face down, so it pulls air from under here. But it's the only thing that's pulling air from under here. So this gap's plenty, and then obviously everything else comes from the front here. And again, like I said, for 74 quid, and you get two 140mm fans, and it's a really solid build, and you're going to get a good looking build at the end of the case. I will be building in this in the future, so feel free to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video. You know the score. But yeah, that's my choice for the best budget build. It's a really good solid build. It comes with a couple of 140mm fans. It's only 74 quid with the tempered side panel. You can pay an extra £3, an extra £3, and you get some RGB fans. So basically they're the same fans, but they've obviously got RGB fitted. So that's for an extra £3. Again, like I said, you get a really it's quite nice. That's not bad. It's not amazing, but it's not bad. It's just going to tidy everything up there, but it just fits in nice. There's slots on there nice. So yeah, my choice for a budget build case, 2024. Let me know what you think. That being said, shall we?
Let me show you. Look. Right there. Look. Right there.
Let me know what you think in the comments below. I think this is a wicked little case. For the money, no brainer. Two big fans, solid build, plenty of airflow, good flow, all out the front here and out the back. Tempered glass, loads of storage for everything. You're going to get a decent sized card in there and everything. It's a no-brainer. So let me know what you think down below. Let me know what cases you believe are a better deal than this, if you think there is one. Yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.